let's begin. What is a master feature design technique? It is a way to add geometrical properties to a model by utilizing a main feature. Let me demonstrate. I will begin by creating a simple block. This block is going to be the main feature. What I would do next is extract geometry, which makes a copy of it. Now I will hide the block. I will start editing the copied geometry. From here, we can subtract the extracted body from the main feature. And we end up with something like a shell. You may ask, why not just use a shell? And you'll find out with practice that this is a more versatile method. So let's do some more modifications to get a better idea. So from here I would copy the extracted body. I would paste it. Hit OK. Then reposition it. So now I'll make it the current body. And what I want to do is remove this corner right here from the main block. So what I'll do is hide the main block, offset the faces again. Okay. Now we have a small block that we'll use to remove from the larger block. So we'll just subtract, like the target body, like the tool body, click OK. Now if we make this the current feature, subtract the current feature, we'll see what we get. Let's fill in that hole. So what I would do is go to the offset, make that the current feature, block, and offset more faces. I will make this the current feature. We have the hole has been plugged. Let's make some more changes. Let's say that I want to remove that corner, the block. So what I would do is copy, paste the feature, hit OK, slide it after the block. I would make that the current feature. Hide the block, hide the main. So let me use shell this time. I will select the faces that I don't want to have. Make this 20. I'll have to use it one more time. and select the faces I don't want. Now we'll make the last feature the current feature. Subtract it from there. So now that we have this corner out, let's do one more. And let's take out this other corner, but instead of using extracted body, let's use offset face. So we'll make this a current feature. Look for surface. Click on this offset surface. We will select body. That selects the whole body. Change it to single faces. Let's select all the faces that we want to offset. So these two faces. Round. I much prefer having a positive. Now we have to select the rest of them, but we will set them as a new set. And we'll set the offset to 0. Now we just have the little corner right there. All we have to do is current feature. Now we subtract it from the body. There. That's another way of doing it instead of using extracted bodies. Now that we got this far, let me show you how easy to edit this. So let's say they want this corner back. All we have to do is this feature. Everything updates. Shows that we have some offset faces. Just remove there. Nice clean model without much modification. So for the master feature technique, we see that all of these offset surfaces and extracted bodies are derived from the main block. I hope this helps to clarify what the master feature design technique is. Thanks for watching.